As we already know about insulin that it decreases blood glucose level, but how exactly does insulin work inside the body? Where are there so many different types and how people choose the right one? In this video we will discuss all these three questions. First, after releasing from the pancreas cells, insulin bind with the receptors known as tyrosine kinase receptors, which are present on the surface of muscles and the adipose tissues. When insulin binds, the receptor undergoes autophosphorylation and activates intracellular signaling pathway. Insulin receptor substrates are activated, leading to stimulation of PI3 kinase pathway. This results in the movement of GLUT4 transporter to the cell membrane, which allow the glucose to move into the cell and decreasing the blood glucose level. In addition with this mechanism, insulin produces multiple metabolic effects like it enhances protein synthesis, it increases glycogen synthesis in liver and muscles, promotes fat storage, and inhibits gluconeogenesis and glycogenolysis. Overall, insulin promotes storage of energy and reduces blood glucose level. Insulin is a peptide hormone, so we can't give it orally because it is degraded in the GI tract. We can administer it subcutaneously, intravenously through inhalation route. The onset, peak, and duration vary depending on the type of insulin. It is all about how insulin work on the receptors. For the other questions, watch the next video.